And boom, that is how you can get unlimited coins and stars in Royal Match. What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can get free coins and stars in Royal Match. So guys, you will be able to buy any upgrade you want in Royal Match, whatever comes to your mind, for absolutely $0. No jailbreaking your mobile device, no PC, nothing of that is required. All you need to have, guys, is your phone and to take a couple of minutes of your time. So guys, first of all, let's open up Royal Match. Let me show you how many resources I have. As you can see, I basically don't have anything, but guys, when you go to the Royal Match Plus Plus, some things will change here. So guys, in Royal Match Plus Plus, all I got to do is to simply type my desired amount of resources that I want to get. And guys, once you type it, you need to simply hold this kind of send buttons. And now guys, when I open up a Royal Match for the second time, something crazy is gonna happen, so let's just wait for it. It should happen any second, and boom, as you can see, guys, free coins and stars is loading right into my account, guys, so I can finally go ahead and buy any upgrade in the Royal Match or whatever I want to get for absolutely $0 without ever spending my real life money. So guys, also let me show you in the App Store that this is the real Royal Match. I'm not, guys, like all other people out there who fake stuff. So yeah, guys, real Royal Match. So let's start the video how you can have Royal Match Plus Plus. So guys, to get Royal Match Plus Plus, the first thing we need to do, guys, we need to prepare a mobile device for the installation of the Royal Match Plus Plus. So if you're iOS, head over to the settings. If you're Android, guys, you don't have to do any preparation. You can go ahead and skip to the last 30 seconds of this video. So guys, if you're iOS, head over to the general, then go to the background app refresh. And in the background app refresh, simply make sure it is turned on for Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay guys, now we need to do a couple more things. After that, guys, head over to the battery settings, and in the battery settings, simply make sure that the low power mode is turned off. You'll notice when it's on because the battery color will be yellow. Simply turn it off and you will be good. Okay guys, also below the battery settings is the App Store settings. Also go there and make sure that the automatic downloads is turned off. You'll notice when it's on because the battery color will be yellow. Simply turn it off and you will be good. Okay guys, now we successfully prepare our mobile device for getting Royal Match Plus Plus. All you got to do now, guys, is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, guys, will be the link to the rest of the video where I explain where we can get Royal Match Plus Plus. So guys, just go there, check out the rest of the video, and you will be able to have Royal Match Plus Plus and enjoy free coins and stars yourself. Hope this video helped you guys. Leave a like if this worked. Peace out.